Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV, and today we're gonna do a 1 year wear and tear of this Boite Chapeau Souple, which I got last year. And we're gonna take a close look at the wear and the tear, and we'll see if it's worth it. We're gonna run through again on what fits and my thoughts on this purse of having this for a year. So we'll take a look first on the aesthetics, on what it looks like after 1 year of wear. And I always use this in my rotation, and it looks like this. I sprayed this with Colonial Carbon Pro, even though this is a treated vaqueta. And if you are thinking if treated vaqueta will darken in time, I would say yes. As you can see, this is the one that's covered from the sunlight, and you can compare both, as this looks a little lighter than this one that's been exposed in the sun, but not much. So I think the treated vaqueta resists water stains better than the untreated ones, but I still sprayed it with Colonial Carbon Pro just to make sure. I like the look of this attached in here, so it wears together with a strap, as you can see. And then the wear that I can see is this strap. It has some wrinkles in some parts of this strap. As when you put it down, like, you can't really like put it nicely. You have to just align it first like this, so you will not strain the strap here at the side. But, you know, you can't really avoid it. Sometimes it just goes down like so. So the strain that I can see is in here, and there are some wrinkles here. It's hard to capture it in camera, but there will be some wrinkles here and there, but it's not much. Here at the back, you see that? But I'm glad it is at the back of the strap, not here in front. But for 1 year of use, this really wears well, in my opinion. The zipper pull still looking great, and the hardware is still in shiny gold. I didn't see any fading yet. It's nice that the plating still stays the same, and inside felt like lining, and it's still looking great. And most of all, I worried before of the structure, if it will hold, since this is a soft canvas. But surprisingly, it has held up so well. I bought this base shaper like only a few months ago, which I've used this at most times without a base shaper. So for it to maintain its shape, I'm really impressed that it has maintained the shape. So right now, I'm putting this inside just to make sure that I can maintain the shape of this purse. And it really fits a lot. So even with the base shaper, I can fit this mini pochette, this Chanel O case, and it can be, you'll be surprised and amazed how much it can fit. Like, I can just put this all in. A Victorine wallet, Chanel card holder, and sunglasses. So as you can see, like, it really fits a lot. So again, we're gonna take it out. So this is what it fits inside. So this is great for travel, if you ask me, as you can also wear this as a crossbody and the straps can be shortened as well. So I'm gonna link some videos below so you can see the pros and cons and how to convert it into backpack if you may use it as a backpack. It is really functional as you can put a lot of things inside, and if you ask me if it's worth it, I think it is. So this is now 2,340 at the website. And this is such a classic look that you can use this for the longest time, in my opinion. It is also very practical as you can wear it for different looks. And for 1 year of use, the only thing that I can see is just some creasing here, which is not much for continuous use. This is really a well-made and durable purse. And the treated vaqueta is also a bonus, and everything is aligned. It has no feet at the bottom, but so far it is really looking great. I already spilled water in this purse, like a lot of water. I tripped down water from the table and it all spilled here in the strap, and I was so shocked. But after I wiped it, not a single stain was seen in here, and I'm just so happy. So I don't know if I didn't spray it with Colonial Carbon Pro if it will still not stick, but I'm just glad that I did spray it just to make sure. So it's up to you guys if you're gonna treat this still, even if it's a treated leather. But for me, I just want to make sure and won't take the risk. That's why I still sprayed the leather with the waterproof and stain-proof spray. So if you have any questions of this purse, please let me know and I will try to answer it as much as I can. I really enjoyed this purse for a year now, and I really enjoyed how much I can fit in here and the ease of use because it has 2 zipper pull. Like you can just open it and just grab things in here. I know at first you will try to think that, oh, like it has a small opening, but you can just like press this down and grab your things inside and you will just get used to it. What's nice about this, if you'll just keep it open, like it still has the shape and nobody knows that your purse is open, because if you're gonna wear it crossbody, it still has the shape. Unlike with other flap purse, if you'll open it, like you can really see that your purse is open. So this one, if you are in a hurry and don't want to keep on closing your purse, you can just leave it open just as this one. So the ease of use is, for me, is perfect, even though you have to get used at first on putting and taking things out. But once you get used of trying to maneuver how to put things in and out. So again guys, I hope this has given you some idea on this Boite if you are eyeing on this purse, and I'm still loving this after 1 year. Guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you again on my next video, and may all of you have a wonderful day. Please like and subscribe, and for those returning subscribers, thank you so much. May all of you have a wonderful day. Bye.